In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream YouTube TV on Discord so you can share live TV or recorded content with friends in a voice channel. While Discord doesn't natively support streaming from YouTube TV directly, you can use your computer's screen sharing feature to broadcast the content. To get started, open Discord and join the voice channel where you want to stream. Click the screen icon in the bottom left corner of the voice chat window and select the option to share your entire screen or just the browser.app window where YouTube TV is playing. Make sure to check the box for share audio if available, so others can hear the sound. Next, open YouTube TV in your browser or app and start playing the content you want to share. Keep in mind that streaming copyrighted material like live sports or movies may violate YouTube TV's terms of service, so proceed with caution. For the best experience, use a stable internet connection to avoid lag or interruptions. Once you're done, simply stop the stream by clicking the Stop Sharing button in Discord. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to stream YouTube TV on Discord, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.